How to enable or disable frame interpolation in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and navigate to the edit page. Select the clip you want to work on from the timeline, then open the inspector panel located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Retime and Scaling section. If it's not already enabled, toggle it on to access its setting. Within this section, look for Retime Process and click the drop-down menu next to it. To turn on frame interpolation, change the setting to Optical Flow. This option allows DaVinci Resolve to create new intermediate frames between existing ones, which results in a smoother motion, especially useful for slow motion clips or when you change the frame rate. Once Optical Flow is selected, you can refine the effect by adjusting the motion estimation method right below. You will see options like Enhanced Faster or Standard Better. Choosing a higher settings improve quality but might require more processing power. If you want to disable frame interpolation, simply switch the Retime process back to options like Nearest, Frame Blend, or keep it at Project Settings. These modes do not generate extra frames and maintain the clip's original playback style. Remember to render your timeline after making changes to fully see how frame interpolation affects your footage, since the preview might not always display it smoothly. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable frame interpolation in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.